Hello student, today we draw some drawing on AutoCAD only by using line command. First, by using Cartesian system, next by using polar system, third by using direct distance method, fourth by using mixing of all system. First, we draw this drawing with Cartesian system by using line command. First, we type L in command line, L for line, enter, specify first point, click on any point. Next, this is 100. In Cartesian system, we type @ 100, 0, enter. Okay. Next, this line is 25. This is 25. Next point, coordinate in Cartesian system @ x, x0, x0, y minus 25, enter. Okay. Next, this portion is 25, this is 50, this is 25, this is 100, so this is 25. Next point, coordinate in Cartesian system @ x minus 25, y 0, enter. Okay. Next, this line, this is the 50 @ x0, y minus 50. Okay. Next, this line, coordinate @ minus 25, 0, enter. Next, this line is 50. Next point, coordinate @ 0, 50, x0, y 50. Okay. Next, this is 50. Next point, coordinate @ x 50, y, y0. There is a mistake. When there is any mistakes, then we type U and enter. Okay. Next point, coordinate @ in this side x is minus 50, minus @ minus 50, 0. Okay. Next, @ this is 25, x0, 0, 25, enter. Next, again enter. Okay. It is clear. Next, we draw this drawing in polar coordinate system. Next, we draw this drawing in polar coordinate system. with line command. In command line we type L, enter, specify first point, any suitable point, click this point, next point, this is 121. In polar system we give at the rate of 121 angle means less than, angle 0. Okay, next point, specify next point, this line is 70, we draw at the rate of 70 angle we can give 100, this is 180, this is 270. We give angle 270. Okay, we can also give the angle minus 90. Okay, next this line is at the rate of 50, this dimension is 50, at the rate of 50 angle is 0. Okay, next this line is 100, at the rate of 100 angle less than 270 or minus 90. Okay, next this is 100 at the rate of 100 in polar system, at the rate of 100 angle means less than 180 degree, 180, enter. Okay, next this line is 120 at the rate of 120 angle less than, this is 90 degree, 90, just type 90, enter. Next this is 71 at the rate of, next point at the rate of 71 angle 180, enter. Next this is 50 at the rate of 50 angle 90, enter. Next specify next point, next we enter, press enter. Okay, it is clear my student. Now we draw this drawing with direct distance method. Direct distance method, we only draw horizontal and vertical line. For direct distance method, we on the ortho mode, this is the ortho mode. For click one times, ortho is on, or again click in ortho mode, ortho is off. F8 key or press F8 key, functional key. Now we on the ortho mode, click on ortho mode, ortho is on, then type line command L, enter, specify first point. Now line is fixed in horizontal and vertical direction. We just, this is 126, just mouse in right side and we type 126, enter. Okay, now this is 70, we just mouse in bottom direction, we type 70 and enter. Next, mouse in left side, we type 25, enter. Next, mouse in bottom direction, we type 5, enter. Okay, for any mistakes, it will be 10. By mistake, it is 5. Then we type U, enter. Then mouse in bottom, we type 10, enter. Next, mouse in left side, we type 25, enter. Then mouse in bottom side, we type 10, enter. Then mouse in left side, we type 25, enter. Next, mouse in bottom side, we type just 10 and enter. Next, mouse in left side, we type 51. This is 51, enter. Next, mouse in top side, then type just 100. Okay, then again enter. This is the drawing by using direct distance method. In direct distance method, we on the ortho mode or functional key F8. Okay. Now we draw this drawing with line command by using all system. All system means by using Cartesian system, by using polar system, by using distance method. Okay, we draw this drawing with the help of all system. First, type line command. For line command, type L, enter. Specify first point, click on any suitable point. Ortho is on. This line is 15. We type just 15. Mouse in right side, 15, enter. Next, this point, coordinate of this point in Cartesian system, this is 14, this is 14. At the rate of we put the Cartesian system at the rate of x 14, y minus 14. Okay, this point coordinate is x 14, y minus 14. Again, this point coordinate in Cartesian system at the rate of 14, 14. Okay, next, again by direct distance method, ortho is on. Mouse in right side, we just type 15. This is 15, 1, 5, 15. Again, by using direct distance method, mouse is in bottom side. This is the 40. We just type 40, enter. Next, this is the 30. In direct distance method, mouse in left side, we just type 30, enter. Next, this line, we draw this line with the help of Cartesian system. Okay, as this dimension are not given, this dimension are not given, this dimension is 15 plus 15 30 plus 28 58, 58 minus 30, 58 minus 30 28, this is 28 and this is 20. So at the rate of minus 28 comma 20, enter. Okay, again by direct distance method specify next point, mouse in top side and we just type 20, enter. Okay, drawing is complete. Next, type again, enter. Okay, it is clear my student, we draw all drawing by using line command with different method.